Hey everyone, it's Lainey and welcome back to another video on my channel, Lucky Marketing. Today, I'm going to be talking about setting goals when it comes to being a successful streamer. You want to treat your channel and your streaming like a business, so it's important to have goals in mind and the ways you plan to reach them. Your goals should be more focused on gaining viewership, followers, or subscribers as you are trying to grow your streaming presence. The best way to approach this is by using the SMART framework. SMART stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. According to Gleam, specific means the goals you set for yourself should be precise and clear. An example could be setting a goal for a certain number of followers by a set date. Next is measurable, meaning it's important to always keep track of progress towards a goal to ensure your strategy is working and stay focused. Third is attainable. You want to be realistic in the goals that you set to prevent setting yourself up for failure or disappointment. If you're new in streaming, you don't want to be trying to hit thousands of followers in a short amount of time. Growth can take a while, so you have to be patient in the process and have smaller goals set before you can reach a bigger one. Next is relevance, which means making sure the goals you set line up with what you actually want to achieve. Take Twitch, for instance. If you're on the way towards becoming an affiliate, your goal should be to focus on consistent viewership, slowly growing to the required 50 followers, and maintaining your stream hours. Finally, there's timeliness. Any goals you set should have a reasonable time limit because in giving yourself a deadline, you can't afford to procrastinate or waste time in reaching your goals. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye everyone.